the number which must be multiplied by minus 2 power minus 5 into something equals 10 power minus 2. Minus 2 power minus 5 is 1 by minus 2 power 5 into something is 1 by 10 square. This something should be negative. This should be nothing but minus 2 power 5 by 10 square. It is minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So product is negative. This is minus 2 power 5 by 2 square into 5 square. This is minus of 2 power 5 minus 2 by 5 square. Minus 2 cube by 5 square. Minus 8 by 25. This is the answer. Again, a wonderful question. You need to get that minus 2 power minus 5 is 1 by minus 2 power 5. Minus 2 power 5 is negative. This number is positive. 10 power minus 2 is 1 by 10 square. It's positive. So this number should be negative. Magnitude wise, this goes to this numerator, and then we simplify and get the answer.